Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. It is a beautiful sunny day here in Merida, Mexico. Ooh, somebody buy me roses. How are you? Buen dia.
Turn right.
Bonita. I am walking to go check out a little cafe that's nearby me. Some folks are meeting up to go work, so let's go do that. This is where we're heading. This ooh, look, a new place called Hardin. Yakimeshi, dumplings, ramen. You know I love my dumplings now. Don't gotta convince me to come back and try here. But we're going to Pausar, a little cafe that's about 15 minutes walk from where I'm currently staying. So, you know, in my current house hunt, I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna end up. So I'm just trying to take advantage of the fact that I am really very walkable right now. An empanada spot across the way. Okay. Let's see if anyone's here yet. Yeah.
This is mad sprouts, y'all. Mad sprouts. You got chili peppers. See. You can have some if you want.
So while we were leaving, the restaurant emptied out, but as I said, it was a beautiful restaurant and it was really crowded in the morning. I love the food. I would definitely return. This is in the San Ramon Norte neighborhood, right off Garcia Lavin. So moving right along, Munchkin and I and some friends went to check out another restaurant a couple days later. This was recommended to us by a lady that worked in the lavanderia that we frequent. So we were like, a local recommendation, the food must taste good. Ladies and gentlemen, the food, in fact, was just kind of so-so. This is a kiss. What is the word for kiss? Beso? Yeah, this was a beso. So I tried it and this is what it looked like. And then this was Milanesa res, which is a beef kind of fried in a breading situation. It was just okay, but I've always wanted to try it. The chicken flautas, the chicken was tasteless, so you needed like lots of sauce and stuff. So as I said, it was just kind of bland, but I would go back there no, I wouldn't go back there because there are way too many restaurants in Merida to give somebody a second chance. You really only have one spot. And then of course all of this food, I'm really trying. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that one of my goals this year is to lose the belly because it's too big. So with all of the trying of all the restaurants, I have to make sure I maintain my gym presence. So that's what we're doing here. A couple days later, I met up with a few other Jamaicans that do live in Merida. We went to watch Bob Love, the legend, and it was in English with Spanish subtitles, so I got to hear the accents. It was very good. If you've not watched the movie yet, make sure you go. And then again, a couple days later, I went shopping. So, you know, I always hear that the expats and immigrants say they can't find cute clothes here in Merida. I don't know where they're shopping, or maybe my fashion taste is really just not fashionista status, because I always find some little cute stuff in the malls and the little boutique stores around. This one is called Shasha. My teen daughter loves it because it has her style of clothes. So if you're shopping for shoes in Mexico, you know, Mexicans, especially Meridians, they're kind of short people. So it's hard, like Bigfoot like me, it's hard to find shoes in your size. So I was just checking, oh, these kind of cute. No, it's been years since I wear heels, but I'd like to feast my eyes. But as usual, they did not have my size. If you have small feet, you'll be able to find shoes here. No problemo. So just a quick look at what else they had in this store that's in the Galleria Mall. I love these pants. I saw a DJ in something similar and I've just been trying to find a similar pair. I don't think this one was quite it. Maybe I should have tried them on. But these pants with the slit up the leg area and it kind of look like a skirt when you have them on. It's just so nice and flowy. Yeah, man, I love those pants. And then I started seeing other pants that were kind of cute. I'm on this kind of linen-y, cottony pants kick right now. I don't know, there's something about them. Maybe I'm an old age. I like nice, easy breezy clothes but the problem is I have to iron them something here. And I don't even own an iron. Like when last you iron a piece of clothing, I don't know. So I was just picking up pants after pants after pants, trying to decide if I wanted to actually get one. You will find big name box stores. Are these box stores? What do you call them? I know that's what I call them. Don't. Anyways, you'll find the H&Ms and the Zara's here, but I'm just expensive for no reason. Like Zara here in Mexico is definitely more expensive than Zara in the US. And I don't know, it not have enough niceties in there for me to be like, okay, I get it. I see why. So anyways, this is the point where I went to go eat something and I ran into a subscriber. That made me so happy. He offered me lunch and I sat down and we had a nice little chat. So shout out to you. I know you're gonna watch this video. And then I went back downstairs to shop again. Found this nice little dress. It was only 179 pesos, which is like less than like $10. That's $10. And I found the pants again. I wonder if this is it. This one look closer to it. I'm gonna go back for these pants and show you them. I think they're so cute. Anyways, so this is the Pull and Bear store. I love this little store because you can always find cute little things on their sale rack. So as you saw, the 179 peso dress, I definitely picked that up and I'm gonna wear it to an event this weekend. So if you want to see how I style it, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you hit the notification bell so you know when the other videos come out. Anyways, after we finally left the mall, I went to another spot and got a haircut. So if you want to see how that turned out, you have to be following me on TikTok because that's where I'm going to upload that video. It's just a quick little video of the haircut that a Mexican hairdresser did for me. So make sure you're following me on TikTok. The link is down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for a few days this week. This is Monique, the traveling Jamaican, currently living in Mexico. I will see you next time.